If you're wondering if there is any bloatware installed on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then the answer is technically yes. We can find some apps that can be considered as bloatware. But actually, this depends on the terminology, what you consider a bloatware, because if you think about some random games or apps that are used by pretty much no one, then maybe not really, because we don't have any games pre-installed. But we can find some apps that are installed without our consent that we might not really need, and there is no reason to implement them, I think. For example, Netflix and Spotify, although they are widely known, these are the most popular apps probably that we can get on the phone, they are actually pre-installed for some reason, same as Facebook, so we can get rid of them pretty easily. And we also have some Microsoft apps that I think these can be actually called a bloatware, because I'm not sure how many people among Samsung users use those apps really. Of course, I'm not saying that it is not used by anyone, but I don't think they should be pre-installed with the whole operating system after the initial configuration. And of course we also have some Google apps, but well, since it's Android, then you probably want to have some of them. And we have some Samsung apps that, well, I wouldn't call them bloatware, so maybe they are not really bloatware, but I'm pretty sure you won't be using them, at least not all of them, or at least not too often. But, you know, these are all apps that can be considered as bloatware. If you're thinking about, like I said, if you're thinking about some games or other apps that no one knows about, then it's safe to say that there is nothing like that. But other than that, this is what we get when we install, or actually we get through the first configuration on A36. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!